I'm trying to grab his shadow. It looks like I'm hitting him. Well, I need money.
What?
I need to get gas.
Oh.
I'm out.
Like, I'm sorry, I don't got money for you.
What the fuck was that inside this bag? I thought you were getting an R1.
On my birthday, I will.
I have the best life. I have you. Why?
65 because I got wires showing on my back tire.
What the hey, just like on the Jimmy Rider, remember? The back last year, I had wires showing. Where at? I guess you just have to keep up. So like what, 80, 90?
No, 65.
165? That's fine with me.
Fatality.
Kill switch. You want to try to bump it? Yeah, second gear. Now you can either, well, we're going to push you.
It's easier in second.
Yeah.
What do I do?
If you try to push it in first gear, fucker's going to stop. Okay, so you just leave it like this, and you're going to hold in the clutch. We will run you fast. Whenever we tell you to, pop the clutch and hit the starter. Once it starts up, just pull the clutch back in.
Don't gun that.
Don't rip it because you're gone. I guess we'll grab the rear peg too. You ready? Yeah. All right. You in second? Put it in second.
Ow.
Pop it up while we're pushing it. Go straight. All right, try. Pop.
Nope.
Into the fucking ground. Turn around. Thanks for the video footage. That's what I need. You want me to try? Wow, this thing is light compared to my bike. No promises. Yeah, it needs a charge. Yeah, I can hear it. Well, that was fun. Yeah, all the important people, sort of. I love your hair. It killed.
I'm coming.
See? Hey, you bring your truck? Good. He needs a ride.